But when it comes to crime, many in the community say we've not done enough. Well, that's why the Memphis chapter of the new Black Panther Party is putting boots on the ground to meet the need for change. Our Brittany Moncrief has more on how the new organization holds true to the original mission of community service of the old organization.
These three women have very different backgrounds, but what brought them together is their bond as mothers in a violence-stricken community.
The crime is outrageous, and we're losing too many children, and we're losing too many adults.
Natasha Harris, Mother D, and Sister AG are members of Memphis chapter's new Black Panther Party.
We out here for our community, helping bring awareness to our Black communities that actually need our help. We're a self-defense organization.
Stemming from the original Black Panther Party, the new group is going back to its roots.
The goal for 2022 was these programs. Let's get these programs started because that's what the original Black Panthers did. They got the WIC program going on.
Part of their mission is tackling crime in the city and our nation.
I have 7 boys. So coming from Chicago, Milwaukee, whatever, it was a lot of gun violence and a lot of funerals and seeing my son's friends get shot dead in front of my house. We're out there trying to patrol the neighborhoods and get out here and see what they need.
Even meeting youth where they are. The Panthers are kicking off their Rites of Passage program geared at mentoring teenage males.
The program is not just for kids that are in trouble. We're trying to reach the ones before they get to that stage.
With male mentors, the teens will discuss everything from issues at home, violence, to tying a tie and carrying ID.
These same little kids that are growing up are going to be an adult one day. These issues that they're facing now is very imperative that we get it taken care of now,
so it doesn't get worse.
Help the families get help so they can grow together and lean and depend on each other instead of leaning and depending on things out in the streets.
For the Panthers, the crime is urgent and they want more than past approaches.
The people are getting tired of the marches, the talks, and you got city leaders who are marching with these people and aren't bringing anything to the table. That's played out. Where are solutions? Stop asking the same questions. Why are they dying? You know why they dying. So come on, let's use some of these resources that you're getting money for and let's put them to action.
In Memphis, I'm Brittany Moncrief.